Hey everyone! Have you ever felt like keeping your digital business safe is a full-time job? Cyber threats lurk around every corner, and every login feels like an interrogation. But let's be real, it's not just about protecting your business. You also have to shield your employees and users from hacks, data breaches, and password leaks. Wish you had a simple, smart solution that secures everything without breaking a sweat? Meet TU Latch. What is TU Latch? Ever wish you had a digital bouncer guarding your accounts? That's TU Latch. It's an authorization control platform that protects your business from security threats by ensuring only the right people can access sensitive data. Think of it as a digital lock and key system that prevents unauthorized access while allowing approved users to perform specific actions. It works with WordPress, APIs, SDKs, and Web3 apps, so no matter how you run your business, TU Latch has your back. With TU Latch, you can prevent unauthorized access with approval controls, set up custom rules for user access, secure blockchain transactions, use TOTP authentication for extra security. Exclusive lifetime deal on appsumo. Normally, TU Latch would set you back a hefty $150, but guess what? appsumo is offering it for just $59, one-time payment. Yep, one purchase, lifetime access, no monthly fees, no stress. Let's break down the plans. Single plan, $59, originally $150. Offering 4 applications, 50 users, access to SDK, API, and plugins. Security control panel. Double plan, $118, originally $300. Offering 7 applications, 100 users, everything from single plan. Multiple plan, $177, originally $600. Offering 10 applications, 200 users, all the features, max protection. 60-day money-back guarantee, try it risk-free for 2 months. Check the link in the description to grab this lifetime deal before it's gone. 6 security features that make TU Latch a must-have. Authorization control. Only approved users can access critical features. No more oops moments or security breaches. Real-time access monitoring. With TU Latch's dashboard, you can track user activity and quickly spot security threats before they cause damage. TOTP authentication. Forget relying on old-school passwords. TU Latch provides time-based, one-time passwords, TOTP, using quantum-level security encryption. Remote security management. Lock and unlock access on the go with the TU Latch mobile app. Protect your business anytime, anywhere. Blockchain security for Web3 apps. If you're in the crypto and Web3 space, TU Latch prevents unauthorized blockchain transactions by enforcing strict authorization controls. Seamless WordPress and API integration. Connect TU Latch with WordPress, APIs, SDKs, and security plugins for a hassle-free experience. Who needs TU Latch? Small business owners, web designers, IT security firms, blockchain developers, freelancers, enterprise teams, SaaS platforms. If you fall into any of these categories, this deal is for you. Grab an extra 10% off TU Latch on appsumo. Want an extra 10% off? I've got you covered. Here's how to claim it. Visit the TU Latch lifetime deal page on appsumo. Look for a discount pop-up. Yes, they exist. Enter your email address to unlock the deal. Use the same email when checking out. Boom, enjoy your extra 10% savings. Why pay more when you can save extra? Don't miss this stackable discount. What are people saying about TU Latch? Don't miss out. Secure your business for life. Cyber threats aren't slowing down, so why leave your business exposed? Click the link in the description and grab your TU Latch lifetime deal now. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing tech deals.